What's up, everybody? This is Connor from Three Pedal Devils, and today I'm going to bring you along with me and show you what it's like to be a fourth-year engineering mechanics student at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. We've got a pretty long day ahead of us, so let's go ahead and get into it. What is it?
Pep golf.
So it's currently about 6:40 a.m. I'm up a little early this morning to do some extra heat transfer studying. And then I have some machining I need to do at the team lab. Get some heat transfer studying out of the way quick, and then we'll start heading over to campus. Alrighty, I'm all ready for the day. It's about 8:30 a.m. I got a few hours of heat transfer studying in, so now I need to go to the machine shop and make some parts for my engine research center job. So I'm going to go on the computer quick, make a reservation for one of the mills, and then head on over to Engineering Center's building.
Got the GoPro in there?
Yeah.
What's that for?
Huh?
What's that for? Just like your highlight reel?
Yeah, pretty much. Alright, I just finished machining. Now I'm walking to my first class of the day, which is technical presentations. We're not doing anything too exciting today, so I'll probably just play a little clip of the first speech I gave in the class this semester on electronic fuel injection engine tuning. So I'll probably roll that, head over to class, and see you guys later.
Speaking with us today is Connor Williams, a senior in engineering mechanics here at UW. Connor has completed a certificate in EFI, Engine Tuning Fundamentals, is currently employed by the UW Engine Research Center, and will be working as a powertrain engineer at Fiat Chrysler Automobiles this summer. Today, he'd like to introduce you all to the topic of performance engine tuning.
To start off, I'd like to show you a couple short videos. The main question that I want to answer today is what actually is engine tuning? My definition for it is that engine tuning is a process in which a user reads engine data to inform combustion control decisions to optimize specific performance metrics. Today we're just going to focus on those top ones outlined in red. One of the crucial elements in an engine's tune is the ignition table. If we look over here at this 3D map, we see that we have engine RPM versus an engine load signal, which is manifold pressure in this case, along with our ignition advance over here. So generally, as we increase RPM, we increase the ignition advance, and as we increase engine load, we decrease that advance. Equally as important as the ignition table is the air-fuel ratio map. We all remember back to our local days of general chemistry. We know that combustion reactions consist of a fuel and an oxidant that reacts to output carbon dioxide and water. If we balance that reaction and convert from moles to mass, we can determine the theoretically perfect combustion, also known as stoichiometric AFR. Well, I hope that this crash course gave you a decent introduction into the world of engine tuning. What's up, guys? I just finished technical presentations class. Now I made my way to room in the basement of the mechanical engineering building. I got about 2 hours until my heat transfer exam. I'm going to eat some lunch, do a little bit of extra heat transfer studying, and then I'll head to the heat transfer exam. Once I finish that, I'll rush to senior design. I have that until about 6:30 p.m. and then I'll probably pick up the camera again after I'm done with senior design. What's up, guys? Just finished my heat transfer exam and senior design. Got wrecked by heat transfer. That was absolutely brutal. Don't think anyone finished on time. Yeah, not fun. But senior design was good. We got ripped apart for our analysis packet by our professor. Got some design changes to make and some analysis to revisit. Now I'm in the shop. It's about 7 p.m. I'm just revisiting some of the wood lathe here at the team lab because I'm teaching a class on Thursday night this week for woodworking 3 upgrade in the shop, which is basically usage of our Laguna wood lathe. So I'm just prepping for that, and then I'm going to head home. Well, I just made it home to this hardly livable structure. Let's go see what my roommates are up to. What's up, fellas?
I love your
What? You love my what? How are you?
Good.
What are you guys doing?
looking at this awful video we took.
Yeah, I love awful videos.
That Supra that I got V8 swapped.
No?
The same one they put the 2J in.
Oh my god. Home from class and work now. Gonna sell my football ticket, paper gold right here. Sell that and then make some food, get going on some more homework and maybe some senior design stuff in SolidWorks. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but that's what I'm gonna do now. Sell it for face value only, of course. How is it?
Pickles. They're sweet ones.
God, they even smell bad.
Yeah.
Do you like it or no? Did you
No.
just put the whole thing in your mouth?
Yeah. No, I don't like them, but I want another one.
Wait, what?
I don't like them, but I want another one.
Okay.
It's like.
Let me get a close up. Yes. Oh, yes. This right here is the absolute
What?
dinner of champions.
Yeah.
Boys, I'm filming a video. You can't talk about. What's up? I only got about 20-30 minutes of senior design work in. Kind of got carried away talking to the boys and to Amanda, and then I couldn't help myself, so I went ahead and started editing this video and pretty much finished the whole thing tonight. But I really need to go to bed if I'm gonna get anything done tomorrow. It's currently 2:33 a.m. It's been a very long day and I'm pretty tired. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos. Let me know if you have questions about engineering at UW-Madison. Thanks for watching and peace out.